If CapCut is giving you an install error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the installer is freezing, stopping halfway, or just refusing to open, these steps can help you get CapCut installed properly on your PC. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software guides. First, let's check the system requirements. CapCut needs a 64-bit operating system. So if you're using an older 32-bit version of Windows, the installer may fail right away. You'll also want at least 4 GB of RAM, but 8 GB is recommended for a smoother install and better performance once CapCut is running. If your computer is low on memory or running an unsupported operating system, that could be the reason the installation is failing. So take a moment to confirm that your PC or Mac meets those requirements before trying again. Next, if the install still won't go through, try running the installer as an administrator. This is one of the easiest fixes, and it often solves permission-related issues. To do that, find the CapCut installer file on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This gives the installer the access it needs to make changes on your system. Sometimes the setup gets stuck halfway because it doesn't have enough permissions, and this simple step can get everything moving again. If that doesn't work, your antivirus or firewall may be blocking the installation. Security software can sometimes treat app installers as suspicious, even when they're safe. If CapCut keeps failing to install, temporarily disable your antivirus while you run the setup file. You may also want to check your firewall settings if the installer is downloading extra files in the background. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on after the install is complete, so your system stays protected. This is a common reason apps fail to install, especially on computers with strict security settings. After making these changes, try the installer again and see if it goes through. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes is enough to solve the issue. Confirm your system meets the requirements, run the file as administrator, and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall protection during installation. If the installation still fails after that, you may need to restart your computer and try again with a fresh installer download. That's it. Those are the quickest ways to fix the CapCut install error on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.